Our focus now to Bihar. We have some breaking inputs coming in. Bhojpuri star Pawan Singh is making political waves in Bihar as speculation grows about his possible return to the NDA fold. Pawan Singh recently met Upendra Kushwaha and BJP National General Secretary Vinod Tawde. Next on his agenda, he is scheduled to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah as well, and that's why these speculations are growing. Is Pawan Singh going to make a comeback? Is he going to be back into the NDA fold? Remember, he commands a massive fan base in Bihar. His electoral presence is significant, not just in terms of the caste equations, but also stardom. Let's go across to Pragya, joining us in the broadcast with more details. Is the NDA preparing to, and Pawan Singh also preparing to be back in the fold?
Well, Mr. Vinod Tawde, who is also in charge of Bihar BJP, he said that Pawan Singh is in BJP and will going to be in BJP. That means that Pawan Singh will continue to be in BJP, but given the fan base, there is also a caste equation. Bihar is very high on caste. The politics surrounds the caste, dimensions around it. And in fact, there has been a kind of struggle between the Kushwaha votes and also the Rajput vote. Now, Pawan Singh, touching the feet of Mr. Upendra Kushwaha, also has sent across a message to the voters that both are together. That means that Shahabad region and Magad region in Patliputra, all of that combined has 48 assembly seats, and that would mean if Kushwahas and also Rajputs come together, that will give a very good edge of BJP in these particular regions. And in fact, remember, in 2024 Lok Sabha, BJP did badly in Shahabad region as well as in the Magad region. Now, they know that there is a struggle between these two castes because Pawan Singh fought against Mr. Upendra Kushwaha from Karakat seat, and they knew that Kushwahas won't vote for Rajput and Rajput would vote for Kushwaha if there is a struggle between two big faces of these castes. Now, BJP has ensured Dharmendra Pradhan has become election in charge, and it is probably the the strategy by Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan that both of them should be brought in together, and this is probably the reason why Mr. Vinod Tawde brought Pawan Singh to Mr. Kushwaha's residence to give, so that he can seek blessings of Mr. Kushwaha, and a message that needs to be sent across in Bihar in the region has been sent, and he is also scheduled to meet Mr. Amit Shah.
Well, given the kind of meetings that is happening, the speculations, yes, only getting stronger of whether he's going to come back into the NDA fold. We'll keep tracking that. Pragya, thank you very much for getting us the details. Another quick break on the broadcast. There's a lot more lined up on the other side.